welcome back to my channel. Have you just started building your camper van? Maybe you're still in the planning process. So you've probably thought to yourself, do I need a sink in my camper van? How do I plumb a tap in? Do I need electrics? So today I'm going to show you a quick, easy and budget way to add running water to your camper van. No plumbing, no electrics. So when I first built my camper van, I did actually put a proper tap in. I watched millions of videos, learnt how to wire it all, learnt how to plumb it all, and I did manage to fit it. And this is what I fitted. So this is a proper 12-volt switch tap. As you can see, it comes with wires, and then you get a pump that also needs wiring in. And then, as I found out after a couple of weeks of driving around and hitting a few potholes, you also need a cut-off switch on it because it can accidentally turn itself on and floods the van a little bit. So that's not good. So when after a few months I decided to move the kitchen to the other side of the van because it wasn't working where it was, I looked for an easier option. I didn't want to have to reroute all those wires and plumbing again. So this is what I've come up with. So this is an electric water dispenser pump tap and it's USB rechargeable. I've got it stood in a little double car cup holder that just sticks to the worktop. And just to make sure it's a snug fit, I've wrapped some insulation foam around the bottom just to hold it tight in there. There is a food grade silicone hose that comes with it, which is held onto the tap with just a nut underneath. And the charging port is on the back of the tap. After sticking the cup holder to the worktop, I drilled a hole down through, and then the silicone hose goes down through the worktop. Then if we have a look at behind my kitchen, you can see where the hose comes through the worktop and goes down into the water container underneath. And this container is held in place with a strap to stop it moving about while I'm driving. I'll just move my things out the way and then I can show you the tap running. So the tap itself has two different buttons. The on-off button, which just makes it flow continuously until it's pressed off. And then you have a 600ml button, which will dispense 600 ml of water and then it'll stop on its own. I also have a little soap dispenser next to the tap, just so it's easy to wash your hands. So you might be thinking at this point, well, I still don't know if I've got room for a sink, or maybe you just don't want one. Let me show you another way that you can use the tap. So here I have a 10-litre water bottle, and then you just sit the tap on the top. So then you can just use it the same as you would over a sink, but you could just pop a bowl underneath instead. Or if you've got quite a lot washing up to do, you can use something like a collapsible bowl. You just push out. And you can pop it underneath the tap to do your washing up. Or if you don't have one of these containers, you can just use a water bottle. And then last to show you is just my water container. So this is the one that the hose from the tap goes down through the hole in the top. So that's my fresh water. This one's also got a tap on it, so you could use it just as it is, a little bowl, or use it outside, just if you want occasional running water. It also has a little bung on the end just so you can plug up the tap when you're not using it. Mine also came with a bag of spare bits, so you've got a sponge for cleaning it out, some extenders for the tap part so you can extend the hose, and then some spare plugs and a spare tap. So there we go. Hope that's given you some ideas on how you can have running water in your camper van or your car camper, or even just camping. It doesn't have to be complicated, it doesn't have to involve electrics or plumbing. The tap is USB rechargeable, so I think probably in the last 2-3 years that I've had it, I might have charged it 3 or 4 times, I'm not sure. It definitely lasts a while. It says on the website it's 1,000 litres per charge, so that's pretty good going. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. And if you'd like to check out the tap or the water container that I've shown you today, I'll leave links in the description below so you can have a look. They are Amazon affiliate links, so I may earn a couple of pennies if you do decide to buy one, but it won't cost you any extra. Now with Black Friday coming up, keep an eye on the deals because sometimes the prices go down as well. The tap at the moment is £12–13 and I think the water container was about £24. So have a look, see if you can get a good deal. These are not sponsored reviews, these are things that I've bought myself. So everything is my own opinion and I'm quite happy with them. Thanks for watching and you take care and I'll see you again soon.